What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mav, where we do everything outdoors. Today I'm going to be preparing some lobster mac in the back of my truck. So the other day I got to go to Catalina Island, which is very much that way in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, with my friends Matt and Jesse, and we caught a bunch of lobsters. I cooked up some tails in that video, and I've got some left over, so I thought what better than to combine the two best things in the world, which is mac and cheese and lobster. All right here on the tailgate of my F-150. So for those of you that don't know, I'm living out of my truck right now in the Los Angeles region, and I've been cooking almost every meal out of my truck.
Alright, forward. Keep coming. We're good. Okay,
Oh, we barely missed it.
you're good, you're good. Feels heavy. Intro. Oh, rocky lobster. Oh, yeah, what do you got? Snappy, snappy. No way, dude. Sure? Okay, right here. Good. Throw that in the trash. There you go. You're doing well.
Oof.
Wow.
It looks so good.
It looks so good.
Cheesy. All right, I'm telling you what, it's been like a pain in the butt to take this thumbnail because I'm so hungry. Oh, is it
I have
good?
the best boy that is a friend in the world. It's delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're such a good friend. You're my best friend.
It's pretty good. It's pretty alright.
Chew for real.
But this is pretty good. This is like not as floury as I usually like. I've made homemade mac and cheese before. I feel like this one. Well, yeah, you put flour in it to like help it thicken up to make it the sauce. Usually it's like grainy.
I guess I'll find out when I watch your video.
Yeah, right. So, Hannah and I are going home today. I'm cheating. We're both cheating on van and truck life. We're going back to Minnesota. We're taking an airplane. Hannah's friend's got a wedding this weekend. Jossie?
We're just gonna fly right in.
We're pulling right up. I sort of feel like I'm cheating on my truck. Also, I'm gonna feel really bad leaving it behind. Okay, bye. So I would trust Hannah's judgment on how the lobster mac and cheese has been.
We're just friends.
She's been eating.
No,
just
you can't.
the lobster.
They're gonna tear me apart.
She's been eating around the lobster.
I just ate the lobster.
How was it?
I'm a vegetarian.
Was it good?
Country.
She didn't like it.
There's just been a lot of seafood forced down my throat lately. I had to learn how to shuck oysters yesterday, and then for an interview, and then I felt obligated to eat them when he was like,
But you said you like those.
Have them.
You said they weren't bad.
They weren't. There was something nice about shucking them and eating them. I don't think I would eat them of my own accord.
So if you caught your own lobsters, would you feel more?
No, because no. They have eyeballs.
Blue oysters.
No. Not that I can see.
That's
That's so mean. I'm a vegetarian and I'm trying,
no,
okay?
yeah, she, in her defense, she is a vegetarian. She grew up being a vegetarian. She's not one of those, like, trendy vegan snobs.
I can't eat that. It touched it. Oh no, I'm gonna get so much shit. There's no right answer here. I'm gonna get attacked from all sides.
You're getting attacked by
I'm
vegans.
really niching myself.
Yeah. Alright, so anybody that's exactly like Hannah, give her some positive feedback in the comment section below.
We need to pack. What time is it?
We should probably go.
Yeah, it's 12:30.
Alright, well, that mac and cheese was super good. Definitely would do it again. Let me know how you guys liked it, and maybe.
It's important to us. Please stay on the line, and we will be with you shortly.
USPS
Call
called me back.
monitored or was transferred to the operator.
My mail is
Very
important.
I just want to wrap up that.
I only do things to annoy you while you're filming on purpose.
I know. That's why. All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, that's probably about like a 2 difficulty, not super.
Your call is very important to us.
Put that. All right, so it's probably like, I'd say that recipe is probably like a 2 out of 10, 2 out of 5, 2 out of 5.
What? 2 out of 10?
2 out of 10. No, 2 out of 5 difficulty. Not super hard.
Difficulty. I thought you were talking about goodness, guys. I was like, damn, that's a low rating.
Maybe for you it's a 2 out of 10 because you only had.
I thought it was great.
Okay.
I mean, it would have been better if there was no lobster in it.
If you guys want to make a recipe like this, I'm gonna leave like all the ingredients and stuff in the description below, like how the recipe. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description below. But super tasty. Glad again that Jesse and Matt got to take me out to Catalina and catch some lobster. Let me know if you guys like that trip and if you guys like videos like this. If you guys have any future video ideas, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. But until next time, my name's Mavrik, and you already know the drill. Just keep on trucking.
Am I your best friend?
Yeah, you're my best friend.
Ew.
Can we talk? I didn't know if you guys were flashing the light at me.
Nah,
I see the YouTuber.
that's our taxi.
What's up?
That's our taxi. Shoreboat, shoreboat. Coming. Hey, put those lobsters back in the hole.